So now let's look at progress notes, okay? So the best way to pull progress notes is through the progress note report. So what we're going to do, and I'm just going to start right from the beginning of the chart that we've been working with for my practice client. And we're going to go back to this button that says Profile of Client, which is also where the attached scanned documents are. So at the bottom of this window, in addition to the attach button with the icon that's a paperclip, there's also a button that says report. So I'm going to click on that button. Okay. And if your reports are all jumbled up, kind of like this, you can click on this heading that says report full name, and it'll alphabetize these for you. And we're going to scroll down to the one that says Progress Notes All Providers. Okay, so we're going to do a single click where it turns orange again, just like we did with the attachments. And we're going to select the button called Run Report. Now, once this loads, it's going to ask you for a date range. So this is where you put the date range of the time period that you're going to be auditing. So for example, I'm going to click on this little calendar here. This is my recorded service begin date. So I'm going to click on the calendar. And for our purposes, I'm going to use the date of July 1st, 2019. If you want to go back just a month, you click on the single arrow here on the calendar. If you want to go back a full year, you click the double arrows. So in this particular situation, I'm going to click the double arrow. So now I'm on October of 2019. And then I'm going to single arrow back to July. And then I'll just select the first. The recorded service end date is your through date. Okay, so you want to see from July 1st, 2019 through when. And for our purposes today, I'm going to choose June 30th of 2020. So I'm just going to click on my little single arrow to go back a couple of months to June. And then I'm just going to click on the 30th. Once you have your date range selected, you just scroll down all the way to the bottom of this window, and you're going to select the button that says OK. And this is a really nice report that looks like Word documents or a paper chart, really. So what I like to do here is click this maximize button in the upper right. Makes it easier to read. Okay, and then you can see that there's little buttons and arrows over here, so you can page over, like go to the next page, and you'll see I'm on page 1 of 10 for my practice client. And then you'll see the notes here. So it should list the, and in the ID or DD case, it will say important to, for, or the support activities. This is a mental health example, and so we're using goal and objective. So the structure looks slightly different, but the whole report pulls the same. And you'll be able to see data, assessment, plan, and then you just page over when you've finished reviewing one page, and you can just flip through it using the page, just like you would do in a paper chart. And then when you've finished reviewing the progress notes for this particular person, all you do is you go to the X in the upper right-hand corner and select close. Okay, and then you can just save on the bottom of your screen. And if you get this, would you like to provide a value? Just say no, it'll let you go ahead and close that. And then that's it.